Hey guys, what's up? Dale and Garrett here.
Mhm.
And today we're going to be building an awesome RC course out of just free plastic, wood, cardboard, anything that you can find.
Anything we can find that is basically scrappy. And I'm going to be making a video of my own. Dale's going to be making his video on that GoPro. Dale's remote control car doesn't work, so we're going to be using mine.
I'll be using Garrett's.
Unfortunately.
Yeah.
So yeah, and I think we're going to be mounting that on my car, right?
Yeah, we're going to mount this on your car and do
Yeah.
some cool stuff. So let's show you what we have here. So we have like some
show 'em
trailer
over here.
stops.
Show 'em over here.
Yeah, well, we got some jumps already made.
Yeah.
And then we got like some fiberglass bendable plastic here. We got this bin holder. We got a salad bowl.
Yes. So,
Shovel. We got some bins.
shovel head.
Yeah, some wind.
Wind.
Some, I don't know what I was
Got
gonna
some
say.
wind, guys.
Yep. We got some bins. We got like
let's see.
like a shoe mat.
Yeah.
Some more wood.
Like a boot tray. Yes.
More plastic.
Yeah.
So
We have a lot of plastic. So.
yeah, let's get started.
Yeah. Let's go.
Alright guys, so we have successfully built the course. Or
Yep. Well,
we hope.
we think we might add some stuff. We might take away some stuff. We're
Yeah.
not sure yet.
We haven't tested yet.
So, yeah.
Let's review the course.
Yeah. This is
So- The car will start here, like in between these two pieces of wood.
perfect.
and
pieces
then-
of wood.
It'll go right through here. So
You're
these
not-
are
you're
just
not making
two
car noises.
woods. Alright. And
Yeah.
so this is just
It fell over.
Alright. So this is just like those are like playhouses that people have in their backyard, Garrett.
Yeah.
This is a roof for one of those, and we just put it on two planks of wood here.
Seems legit.
We have an ANW bottle here that hopefully the car will knock over successfully.
Yeah. I mean, it will knock it over. 'Cause,
And then this we hope is gonna go well.
yeah, we don't know how this is gonna go yet.
We have a jump here that I very well built. It's built very. um, and then
Yeah,
we
but
have
then-
this bed board. This is actually a
that I
bed board.
built.
Garrett.
I did not build this.
All right. Yeah, we have this bed board here, and then we have this plastic jump that it will go off.
Now
Hopefully,
This
this is our our
bridge.
prize
This
bridge.
is our Golden Gate Bridge.
Yeah.
For us, this is like.
Yeah.
amazing.
So we just have like a plastic bin
called
here,
Bin.
and another one of these playhouse roof things
Yeah.
that we leaned
Dale
up
has
against it. It's
burned a
not
lot of
glued or
plastic.
anything.
Dale has wrecked a lot of playhouses.
But maybe. And then this is just a board that we found in our yard.
I got crap on my knee.
Okay. And then we just lean it up on a few pieces of wood. It's not nailed down. It's not screwed down. Nor no glue or anything.
No, it's
It's-
just like if I were to like,
Jump on it?
like drop kick this, it would break.
So
I'm not going to.
yeah. So don't drop kick it.
No, I'm not going to drop kick.
And then we have the shoe mat on this plastic box here. Bin.
Salad ball.
We have this fiber plastic thing here. We don't know what it is.
High
On top-
quality, high end merchandise salad ball, only $9.95. Well, it lasts. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah.
I'm
So-
we're not selling salad.
No.
Tripod. You can't forget the tripod. Okay, now this. I'm gonna do the explaining because this
All
is
right.
all my idea. And
Go
I'm
ahead.
great. So I have really high self-esteem. So the car, after it does that salad bowl jump, it will loop around this tree that I am kicking right now. It will go around this tree this way. All right. It'll go off this jump, this plastic jump. No, okay. So it'll go off this jump. You know.
Mhm.
I'm not gonna whatever. Off the jump. It'll land on this. We have some like old fence under this to hold. Because if this old fence weren't here, this would be drooping. Even with nothing on it, it would be drooping halfway down into the fire pit. So we put the fence under it, or I put the fence under it. And it will go across this, not across, it'll go on that whiteboard. Now, it'll land, all right? I'll turn it. It'll go this way. Yeah. And then you can start explaining now. I just wanted to explain the fire pit.
Okay, cool. So we don't know how this is gonna go yet, but
No,
we're
yeah,
gonna
we need to
size
size
this
that. We need to size that.
with the wheels of the car, so the car will go on here and go off, and then it will go off this little jump over plastic bin. Whoa! And then it goes through here,
Hopefully.
hopefully, and you can see these little like speed bumps, and then there's a piece of clear glass or plastic.
This is not glass.
Not glass, plastic. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go charge up Garrett's car and come back
Oh,
here,
it's not pointing at me.
and hopefully this will go okay. Okay, it's recording. You ready, Garrett?
Yeah, no.
Alrighty, Garrett's a bit nervous, but
Just because
it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine, hopefully.
2 seconds later. It's in 2 paces. It's in 2 paces. Bill.